everyone, welcome to Draw with B. Today we are doing another Christmas special. We are drawing some crazy Christmas baubles. I think this will be super fun. Let's get started. We're going to start with a bauble up here. Nice round circle. We're going to do the top of the Christmas bauble, just like that, and then we're going to do some zigzags. Then do an upside down U and another one. This guy's going to have his arms in the air and he's going to have two really big eyes and he's going to be going, oh, his legs are going to be up. And we're going to draw two lines going like that because he is whooshing through the air. Two reflection dots. Next, we're going to have one. He's going to be bouncing. So we're going to draw a line like that and then like that. And then we're going to draw our other Christmas bauble over here. He's going to have his arms out. Draw the bauble bit at the top, zigzag, 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 two upside down U's, and he's going to be closing his eyes. 1, 2, 1, 2. He's going to be going, ah, and a little tongue. Put his legs out. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then the last one's going to be laying down, and I like this guy because he's quite funny. So we're going to draw another circle, and this time the top of the Christmas bauble is going to go like this. 1, 2. This one's going to be sleeping. So we'll do two curves because the eyes are shut. You can draw eyelashes if you like. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I think we'll do this one with a little smiley face, just like that. Legs are going to be hanging down this way. This arm's out. And this arm's coming in. And we can draw just a line on the bottom here. You can draw a few lines if you like. I think that looks amazing. I'm going to colour in, go over the top with my marker. I'm going to fast forward this bit, so I will see you back shortly. Time for some magic touches. I hope you've enjoyed colouring in your Christmas baubles. I've started adding some green glitter pen to this guy because I think he deserves to be shiny. I'm also going to add some blue to this little one laying down having a sleep because she's just so tired from so much Christmas partying. So I'll add some there. Then what I'm going to do is add some red to this little guy zooming through the air. So I'm going to add some just up here. This looks amazing. I wonder what colours you've coloured yours in today. They can be any colours. Christmas baubles can be any colour you decide. I love it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go around all of the outlines here because I think it looks just even better. Love it. And then this guy over here. adds so much magic to your Christmas drawings, having glitter pens. I think everyone should have glitter pens at Christmas time. Next, I'm going to add some glitter glue to this guy and just blot it around with your finger, or you can use anything you desire. Some more up here. I love doing Christmas drawings. They are so much fun. You can make these guys into special Christmas cards or just special pictures to draw for your teacher or your mum or your dad or your brother or your sister. I love this. This looks so good. All right, some more glitter. I'll spread that around here. Glitter glue is truly special because you can put it on anything. Amazing. Last one, I'm going to add some blue to this one. Spread it all around to make these beautiful Christmas baubles look glittery and shiny. Oh, that looks so good. I hope you have all had a wonderful time doing this special Christmas drawing. There'll be more to come, so I hope to see you soon. Bye.